I'm Michiel Pauwels. I'm responsible for IT and digitalization in Fresh Saucy Foods. Fresh Saucy Foods is a family-owned business. We specialize in the production of sauces and spreads. We produce our own brand, August and Henry, next to private labels. Our mission is to grow. We want to push boundaries, invest in the future, invest in digitalization and in automation. And that is where Bizzmine came into play. Before using Bizzmine, we worked a lot with paper sheets, information in Excel sheets, which made it hard to find the correct data, or even sometimes we worked with outdated information. We also had a problem with data not being synchronized between different packages, so it made it hard to link all the information together. When we started looking for a QMS system, our main priorities were the openness and the flexibility of the system. We wanted to adapt the system to our way of working and not the other way around. We wanted to make sure that the system was easy to use for our employees, both from the quality department and from the production environment. Bizzmine met all these requirements. Our staff is able to configure their own lists, forms and workflows without needing any IT expertise.
We use Bizzmine for a variety of quality management tasks, registration of complaints and corrective actions. The software helps us to define new KPIs, such as reducing the lead time and the amount of complaints. We do quality tours with the help of a mobile device. Bizzmine makes it easy to look up documents from suppliers or registrations from production.
The biggest benefits that we see are standardization. The workflows make sure that you need to enter specific information before you can continue to the next step. When all the information has been entered, it automatically creates a follow-up task for the person you have assigned according to the workflow. Bizzmine makes it a lot faster to look up historical data. Everything is in one place, accessible to those who need it. The connection with our ERP system allows us to automatically link the correct data together. Using the API also allows us to create custom integrations on top of Bizzmine. We still have a few paper flows that we are looking to digitalize and implement in Bizzmine as well. And next to that, we're looking to the training and the skill matrix module to see how we can implement this in our company. For us, Bizzmine is flexible, open and reliable.